This question belongs to algorithm subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 set 1. So the question states, an ordered n tuple d1 to dn with d1 greater than equal to d2 greater than equal to dn is called graphic if there exists a simple undirected graph with n vertices having degrees d1 till dn respectively. So a sequence d1 till dn is called graphic, which means it represents a graph with the condition that all di is greater than equal to di plus 1. Then it is called graphic if we can have a graph where d1 to dn are the degree sequences. Which one of the following 6 tuples is not graphic? So we have these options. So we can easily do it by Haveli-Hakimi theorem. So what Haveli-Hakimi theorem says is that if we have a degree sequence, then we will first sort it. See, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We have sorted it. Now we will remove one vertex. Now see, this vertex is of degree 1. So if we remove it, then one of the vertices should also have, see, if we have a vertex like this, connected to this, and more vertices like this. Now if this vertex has a degree 3 and we are removing this, then these vertices degree should also be reduced by 1, which means if we are removing a vertex with degree d, then we must reduce 1 degree from 1 degree must be reduced from d other vertices. Okay, and in this step if we encounter any negative degree, then that graph is not possible. See, we are removing this 1, then 1 must be reduced from any one of the vertices. So 1 must be reduced from this vertex. So we get 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we will sort it to get 1, 1, 1 and 0. Now again we have 4 ones. Now we will again remove this highest degree. Now we must, after removing this, we must reduce 1 from one of the vertex. So we get 0, 1, 1, 0. Now we will sort it to get 1, 1, 0, 0. Again we will remove this vertex and decrease 1 degree, so we get 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0 is possible as we can have 3 isolated vertices. So option A is possible. Now let us see option B. So this is basically the Haveli-Hakimi theorem to find whether a degree sequence represents a graph or not. See, now we will remove this vertex. So we must reduce 1 degree from 2 vertices. See, it is 2. So 1, 1 should be reduced from 2 vertices. So we get 1, 1, 2, 2 and 2. If we sort it, we will get 2, 2, 1, 1. Now if we remove this, we must remove 1, 1 from 2 vertices. So we get 1, 1, 1, 1. We have already seen that all ones is a possible degree sequence. So B is also possible. Now let us see option C. Option C says 3, 3, 3, 1, 0, 0. So let us remove this 3. So we must reduce 1 from 3 vertices. So we get 2, 2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Now if we remove this, we must reduce 1, 1 from 2 vertices. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 0, 0. See, we get a negative degree. So this do not represent a graph. So C do not represent a graph, and it is asking which is not graphic. So C is not graphic. Let us verify option B too. 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 0. We must remove 1 degree from 3 vertices. So we get 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now let us sort it. We get 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now let us remove 1 from one of the vertex. We get 0, 0, 0, 0. This is possible as we can have 4 isolated vertices. So correct answer is option C is not possible.